had on his Spider-Man t-shirt, his Batman underpants, and his jeans with the horseshoes on each pocket. But he didn't feel brave, and he didn't feel lucky. He walked up the street to the playground. He wanted to go down the slide head first. But if Sammy was there, he wouldn't go down at all. Too late, Sammy was there. "You can't come in," Sammy said. "I'm staying at the playground." And they told Kevin what he would do if he saw him on the slide. Kevin went back home. His father was making soup. "I thought you went to the playground," said Father. "Sammy says if I go on the slide, he'll get a rope and tie me up," Kevin told him. "He says he'll tie my hands and feet so tight, I'll never get loose." Okay, so boys and girls, I stopped on this page because this is where I formed my first impression of Sammy the main character. So I'm going to show you the chart here. So, first, I thought the character Sammy was mean and selfish because he wanted the playground all to himself and didn't want Kevin to play with him. I thought this because Kevin wanted to play on the slide, and when he got to the playground, Sammy would not let Kevin play on the slide, and he threatened to tie him up with a rope. Remember that? Yes. Okay. So that was my first impression of Sammy.